How to view deleted messages on WhatsApp? First of all, understand that once the message is deleted for everyone on WhatsApp, it is officially removed from the chat. However, there are some ways you can try to see those deleted messages. One common method is to use notification history on your phone. When someone deletes a message, the notification might still be saved in your notification log if you have it enabled. Another way is to use third-party apps that save your notifications or chat backups, but be careful with privacy and security risks when using such apps. Also, regularly backing up your WhatsApp chats to Google Drive or iCloud helps you restore previous versions of your chats, which might include deleted messages if the backup was made before deletion. Now you know how to view deleted messages on WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.